Good morning, students. Today we can see the first unit in commerce. That is, first one is principles of management. So, in this unit we are learning about the management, various management process. So, management process, the first topic is principles of management. What are the various principles of management? So, before knowing about the principles of management, you should know what is management. So, regarding management, there are two definitions regarding management. Simply we can say that what a manager does can be termed as management. So, as per the definitions given by Henry Fayol, management means to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. So, these are the various duties of a manager. Manage to forecast, forecasting. What is meant by forecasting? So, see what is happening in the future, forecasting. What is going to happen in the future? We are seeing what will happen in the future. Then to plan about the future, what is going to happen next year or after 5 years, like that. To organizing all the factors of production. What are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital, organization. So, organizing all the factors of production. Then to command, if there is a need for making things done, it is the duty of the manager to command, to do this one, you can do this one, this way you do and complete the job, like that. Then to coordinating all the factors of production. Sometimes the various factors of production are situating in various places. So, that should be coordinated in a particular place. And to control all the activities going to be done in the organization. So, as per the Henry Fayol definition, a management in terms of what a manager does, all these things, that is, they are forecasting, they are planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating and controlling. That is the duty of the manager. So, what a manager does and not what management is, not the management what they are doing, what a manager does can be termed as management. So, as per the Henry Fayol definition, management is defined as to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. So, this is the definition given by Henry Fayol. As per Henry Fayol concept, a management means what a manager does, what a manager does, that is management. Then another definition given by Peter F. Drucker. Peter F. Drucker, he is an economist. So, according to Peter Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ, multi-purpose, different purposes, organ that manages a business and manages a manager, not only business, but they are manages manager and manages worker and work. So, as per Drucker definition, management is not only a single purpose one, multi-purpose organ. This is an organ, just like an organ in our body, that manages the business. They are managing the whole business and manages the manager. We know in an organization different managers are there, no? For example, sales manager, production manager, accounts manager, like that. So, they are managing all the managers and manages worker. They wants to manage the workers. So many workers are there in the organization. Sometimes there may be 1500 members are working in the same organization. So they have to manage all the employees and work. They have to manage all work from the production till the sales over. That means till the preparation of accounting statement. It starts with production and end with the submission of financial statement. So all these activities are coming under the term management. So as per Drucker definition, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages manager and manages worker and work. So I think you are clear about what is management. So these two definitions are there. According to Henry Fayol, management means to manage is to forecast, to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. This is the definition given by Henry Fayol. So define management. You can give any one definition. Which one is easy you can write. Okay. So as per Drucker definition, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business, manages a manager, manages a worker and work. So these are the two definitions given by various economists. So as per the Drucker definition, there are three jobs of management. Management is doing three jobs, three work. First one is managing a business. They are managing the business. Okay, manage the whole business. Then the second one is managing manager. They are managing the managers and managing work and workers. That is the definition given here. There are three activities are done by a management. First one managing a business, second one managing a manager, third one is managing worker and work. First you write this definition, then these are the three jobs of management. First one managing a business. They are managing the whole business. They have the control of the whole business. Then managing the managers. Different managers are doing their own activities. For example, accounts manager keeping the accounts properly, sales manager keeping the sales, then production manager they take care only production. So many, for example 7 or 8 managers are there in the business. So they are managing all the managers. Then not only the manager and business, they are managing workers and work. So the whole organization is under the control of the single management. Okay. So this is the definition of management. Today we can wind up with this definition. I think most of you, all of you understood these terms. What is management? And what are all the jobs done by management. So what is management? Management is a multi-purpose organ that manages a business and manages manager and manages worker and work. So these are the three jobs. This definition is divided into three jobs: managing a business, managing manager, managing worker and work. So this is the definition given by various economists. Okay. So thank you students.